Here we are with another quick tip, and this time we're going to focus a lot with AutoCAD tools. So this AutoCAD tool works within Civil 3D as well, and I want to focus on the array command. It's a command that's been around since, I don't remember, it's been around a long time. But one of the commands or one of these settings within array is allowing you to place something along a path, which is great is when you have to have something every 200 feet along the road or so many feet along a section. This array command at least helps out a lot to get the initial thing, and you can even have things updated along the way. So here we are with a line, this purple line that just kind of goes along. It's a polyline, there's nothing too special about it. And at the beginning of this polyline, we have a block. So right here we have a fire hydrant block. If I type in array, allow me to select the object to array, which that means it copies either horizontal, vertical, or along a path. I'm going to press enter, and here it gives us options: rectangular, path, polar. Now what I'm going to use here is path, so I'm going to type in PA, and then it asks me to select the path. So I'm going to select this polyline, and you see it creates all these fire hydrants along this entire section. I'm going ahead and exit out of the command. And the reason why is I like to edit the path arrays a lot within the properties. It gives me a lot more options to figure that out, such as miscellaneous from measure or divide. So I can divide the line into however many that we need. So I want to divide the line into 20. So that path was divided into 20 segments, allowing that block to be placed every 20 feet all the way to the end. If I pull in measure as an option, it's going to measure based off of the item spacing. So if I need something every 50 feet, it now places 50 feet. And if I go to the end, it looks like it wasn't quite 50 feet remaining. The other option they have here is items or start offset. So if I look at the beginning block and it's not quite where I want it, I need it, a couple feet up here, I can simply say, hey, 5 feet off the front, and there we go. So I'm gonna place that back to 0. Another option is rows. We have it at 1 row, but we can actually go into 3 rows. And it gives us 3 separate rows along with the same row spacing if we wanted to have more like 5 feet between each row. So 5 feet, 5 feet, and then 50 feet. Level options just add how many levels are needed for it, a level spacing, and if it's aligned within that. So all of these options are great. I like to keep them, I like to run that path and then change our settings how we would like it. Now, what if we need to modify the polyline? What if the road changes or something updates and we just need to, move this line way over here? And you see it added our fire hydrants along, but now we have this kind of bump. It doesn't work right. If I fill it the same 100-foot radius we had before, see it filled it in and made it right. So as we change our polyline, so does our array. So once we get it fixed back up, it works just fine. So I made a little extreme change here. So let's make some extreme fixes, shall we? 100 feet, radius, radius, and now everything matches all line. Same thing if you extend it or decrease it. There. Same thing with the divide as well. So this tool is great if you're placing a object along a line or along a path that you need to have different distances or segments to it. Great quick tool for it. Array along